Welcome. In this video, I will quickly explain how to charge your Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. To charge your mouse, you have to use this original cable that comes in the box with it. Insert the USB-C part into your mouse and USB-A part into the charging brick. Pretty much any charging brick will do if you're using an original one, no matter whether it's Logitech or any other company. Just insert it right here and connect it to the power outlet. When your mouse is charging, this tiny indicator on your DPI button starts blinking green, and it's glowing green when it's fully charged. If the question is whether you can charge your device, your mouse, by connecting it to a computer using this original cable, then the answer is absolutely. And if you're curious whether you can use your mouse in the meantime, the answer is yes. So you can simply charge your device by connecting it to a computer and use it while it's charging and have it fully charged in like an hour, while not stopping using it at all. Besides, your mouse also supports battery replacement. However, it uses the lithium battery that is connected directly to the motherboard. So in order to replace it, you're gonna have to unscrew all of these screws you have on the bottom panel, previously disabling your device, of course. Then you'll be able to disconnect the old battery and connect the new one. You also have some instructions in the box of your device, and you can also you should also check the guides on YouTube. I would do that because I wouldn't risk damaging my mouse by trying to do it myself. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.